beyond the now, beyond the skin. We meet you in a lifetime full of pressure, where love was quiet and survival was loud. Me hands were steady but my spirit restless. Me heart knew peace but my mind knew power. We crossed paths in a moment too fragile. Timing wrong but the feeling was true. We was brave in a world that rewards armor, but bravery alone can't pull love through. Me see you smile like a future unfinished, like a promise life wasn't ready to keep. Me wanted rules, but my road kept moving, so me memorize your face in my sleep. Me tell myself love sometimes visit early, to teach the soul how deep it can go. Not every flaming fish stay burning, some just show you the light before you go. If this world couldn't hold me together, if time refused for bend, me not call it the end of love, me call it not yet then. If I can't love you right in this life, if the stars don't line where we stand, I will carry your name through the darkness, till I find you again, understand. I will find you in my next life, when the weight of the past is gone, when we meet with lighter shadows, and the heart don't have to run.
I felt you before I knew you, like a song I almost sang, like a dream that kept repeating. You slipped right through my hands. I loved you in the quiet moments, when no one else could